Hey everyone, Alan Hernandez here with your 2 minute market update. It's been a little while since we've spoken, and there's a reason why this market has been crazy, and we have a ton of new changes happening in the real estate industry. Make sure that you stay up to date with what's happening with commissions and the fact that buyers will no longer be able to automatically expect to be paid. It is all a full negotiation now. And it was from the beginning, but some of those changes will impact the way that we operate in the market. So make sure you speak to your real estate professional about how those may affect you. Now, let's talk about the market because that's what you're here for. Biggest change that we've seen is the fact that we are 13.6% down in total property sales year over year. Overall, that's bringing up days on market, which we are now at 46 days on market, and our total inventory is now at 4.3 months versus 3 months last year. That's a 1.3 month difference year over year, and that means we are now pushing to what is considered a balanced market. Now, overall, in the entire US, we have a 3.7 months of inventory average, which means now Houston is actually higher than the overall average for the US, which is not something we have seen before. Not to mention that 4.3 months of inventory is the highest we have seen in years. And so now we can see how those changes are starting to impact housing. What that means right now is that buyers have a ton more opportunities because there's going to be a lot more inventory on the market for them to choose from. But interestingly enough, we still haven't seen pricing change much. We still have an average cost of a home of $432,000 and our median home price at $345,000. So with that said, there's a lot of buyers sitting on the sidelines thinking, yes, we see a lot more opportunity, but pricing is still very high. Interest rates are really high. We may sit this one out, and thus you have that 4.3 months of inventory on the market, thus making it an opportunity for the right buyers. And for the sellers that are thinking about selling, it's important to really price those properties correctly so that they will not sit on the market for longer than your average time frame. With that said, if you have any questions in regards to what this means for you, your specific neighborhood, your specific home may have a completely different scenario, feel free to reach out. We'll get you a personalized market analysis for your home. We also send a monthly report, which is an automated report that we send every single month so that you know exactly what's happening with your equity, what you can do, what you can rent it for, what you can Airbnb it for if you decided to do that, all sorts of great information. And we can send that to you and any of your friends and family absolutely for free. Of course, when you're ready to make a move, you know who to reach out to. Alan here. Thank you again. We'll see you guys next time.